Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Saragi with student ID number 123490006, majoring in instrumentation and automation engineering. In this video, I will be presenting assignment 3 for the engineering drawing practicum course. The assignment is 1. Import image and text into your PCB to explain the system you create, and 3. Create a Gerber file. Okay, let's do it. First, we can open the KiCad application. Okay, next, here we can see the logo that I made on the PCB board. To create a mirror logo on a PCB in KiCad, you first need to prepare your logo file, preferably in SVG format to maintain high quality. Then open KiCad, bitmap to component converter tool, import your image, and adjust the resolution and threshold until the logo looks correct. You should also choose the layer where the logo will appear, such as F6 for the front silk screen or B silks for the back silk screen. Before saving it as a virtual file to KiCad mode, and after that, you go to the PCB editor or PCB new, place the logo footprint onto your board, and position it as desired. To make the logo mirrored, simple flip it to the upside by selecting it and pressing F on your keyboard. This action places the logo on the back on the PCB, where it is automatically mirrored. If it contains text, make sure to check its orientation in the properties and adjust the mirror option if necessary. And finally, review your work in the 3D viewer to confirm the logo appears correctly and save your design. When you generate the Gerber files, the mirror logo will be included on the chosen layer, whether it is silk screen, copper, or another layer you select. Next, okay. Next, we'll move on onto the Gerber files where I've compressed the PCB I create into Gerber format. As you can see, there are 11 Gerber files. Let's discuss them one by one. First, the B it adhesive, and if it adhesive Gerber files represent the adhesive layers for the bottom and top sides of the PCB. These layers are only required if glue dots are used to hold components in place before soldering, and they are generated by enable the adhesive option in the PCB editor. And second, wait, we're open. The CEU Gerber and FCU Gerber files are the copper layers for the bottom and top sides of the PCB. They are generated by selecting the copper layers in the editor, sorry, in the PCB software and exporting them. These files contain all the conductive tracks, paths, and copper areas that from the electrical connection. Next, we discuss about the PMOS Gerber and FMOS Gerber files define the soldering mask for the bottom and top layers. These are created by enabling the solder mask layer in the editor, and they specify where the protective coating should not cover, exposing paths for soldering. Next, the B pass cover and F pass cover files represent. Wait. Represent the solder pass stencil layers for the bottoms and top sides. These are generated by exporting in the pass layers in the PCB software, and they are used to create stencils for applying solder pass during automated assembly. Next, about the P silk screen. The B silkscreen grabber and F silkscreen grabber files contain the silkscreen information for the bottom and top of the PCB. These are produced by enabling the silkscreen layers, and they include component outlines, reference designators, and print labels. And then edge cut. The edge cut Gerber file and is the defines the physical outline of the PCB. This is generated by drawing the board outline in the edge cut layer and exporting. It provides the manufacturer with the exact dimension and shape of the board. Next, done. I've marked done. This is the shape of F at the side. Wait, F shear curve. This is the shape of the F shear curve. What? Next, F mask curve. Then F mask curve. Like this. Next, discuss about the PTH drill file. Um, the PTH drill file defines all the plate through holes in the design, such as vias in here, in here, vias, and component pinholes in here. It is generated through the drill file export function by selecting plate holes. And then I have the npth drill file specifies all non-plate holes, usually mechanical mounting holes. This is created in the same drill export setting but separate from plate holes. Finally, the Gerber job file is sometimes generated automatically by PCB software to describe how the layers should be interpreted, and all the Gerber and drill files are usually compressed into a single zip file to be sent to the PCB manufacturer. Okay, that's all the video explanation from me. More or less, I apologize. Thank you. Thank you.